Hello lazy bakers, welcome back to the Lazy Chef. Today we're going to be making ghee. Ghee is a type of clarified butter which originated in ancient India, although it goes a step further than clarified butter in the fact that you make the milk solids darker and so you get a nice nutty flavour. Traditionally ghee is made with unsalted butter, but today I'm afraid I have only got unsalted butter, which I got given a load of butter, so I'm going to use that because otherwise I have no idea what to do with it. So starting off, I'm going to use a muslin pan, which is a jam preserving pan, because it has a heavy bottom and you do need a heavy bottom for this. And if you do not have a pan with a heavy bottom, or you're using a smaller amount of ghee than I am, then what I do is I put a saucepan inside my diamond pan there. You can put it inside in a frying pan or whatever, then that just gives you a little bit of a thicker base to make your ghee in. So all we're going to do first is we're going to put all our butter in our pan and melt it over a slow heat. This is the only time you want to be stirring your butter, because once your milk solids start to rise, you don't want to be messing them about. So I'm just helping it along, helping it melt a bit here. Then we are going to wait for the milk solids to rise, and you can just about see them here, they're starting to come. And you want these milk solids to rise, and you want the yellow underneath to go really, really clear. It takes some time to do, you just have to be quite patient with it. Make sure it doesn't boil too much. You don't have to skim anything off the top, you can wait for that to sink down to the bottom. However, because I'm using salted butter, I've got a lot of foamy stuff, and so I'm going to take those milk solids off. Fear not, lazy bakers, I'm not going back on my word. I'm not stirring this, just moving the top bit about so I can see how clear the butter is becoming and how dark the milk solids are becoming. You can see here that the butter has become darker, and it smells a bit nuttier too if you were standing here doing it. And so it's nearly ready. It's nearly ready. It's looking lovely. So now you need to put your ghee into jars. To do this, I have a jug because it's easier to put it in the jars, and I have a fine mesh sieve, and I also have some muslin which I folded up into 4, and I'm going to put it in there, and I'm going to pour the ghee in there to separate those milk solids from the beautiful golden ambrosia that is ghee itself. I do of course make a mess here, as is tradition now. There you go. Look how beautiful that is, it's so gorgeous. I made, I can't tell you really, I think I made about 500 ml of ghee out of my kilogram of butter. I don't have the world's best jug, so yeah, I always make a mess. I did actually sterilise these jars, nowhere else says so, but the way to do that is give them a good wash in hot soapy water, and then put them in the oven 150 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, and that does the job. Well, there we have it. We have some beautiful ghee. You can use your ghee to fry things with because it has such a high smoking point. It will keep for a long time on your shelf. It's really easy to make. It's really good for you. It's good for your heart. It's good for people with allergies. So if you have a lactose intolerance or casein intolerance or milk intolerance, milk allergy, you can use ghee, and you can get the beautiful buttery benefits of ghee. It's full of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are really good for you. Full of amino acids. It's brilliant as a moisturizer. It's really good for your joints. It's just an absolutely, oh, and it's full of vitamins A, D, E and K. So I mean, you know, what's not to like about ghee? It's a beautiful thing. So I hope you give it a go, Lazy Bakers, and if you do, let me know. Hopefully I will see you again very soon with another video. Please like and subscribe, and I'd be really grateful if you would share, because it really helps me out. And take care of yourselves, my dears, and I will see you soon. Love you loads. Mwah.